Hi, I'm Cleon from ClearTax. In this video, I will tell you about the income tax refund. You are eligible for an income tax refund. The taxes you pay are higher than the actual tax liability, including the interest. How to claim the income tax refund? You can claim the income tax refund by simply filing ITR in the usual manner. You must get your returns verified electronically to the Aadhaar OTP, EVC that is generated to the bank account, physical verification by posting a signed copy of the ITR-V acknowledgement to Central Processing Center or the CPC within 120 days of filing the income tax return. Does the early processing of income tax return help you? You have a time limit of 120 days from the date you file the ITR to verify the return. However, you must get the return verified at the earliest so that the Central Processing Center or the CPC can verify the return as soon as possible. Late verification could mean a delay in tax refunds as the processing of the return takes time. Opt for electronic verification if possible, instead of the physical verification, which takes more time. What can you do if the tax refund is not processed at the CPC? It is possible that your return may not have been processed for some reason. The taxpayer's records for each assessment year would be transferred to the jurisdictional assessing officer by the CPC after a certain time period. Taxpayers get an intimation informing them on the same. After the files are transferred to the assessing officer, you can follow up on your income tax refund by submitting a letter to jurisdictional assessing officer on the income tax refund. You might have got an income tax refund amount slightly higher than the refund amount claimed in the ITR. The extra amount represents the interest on the income tax refund. The income tax department mandatorily pays the interest on the tax refund. The refund is 10% or more of the income tax paid. You have section 244A that deals with the income tax refund. You get interest at the rate of 0.5% per month or for the part of the month on the refund amount. The interest is calculated from the 1st April of the assessment year till the date of the grant of the refund if the refund is because of excess advance tax or TDS. How to check the income tax refund status? You can check your income tax refund status online by accessing the refund pages. You then enter the PAN number and the relevant assessment year. Fill in the CAPTCHA code and click on Submit. You may also access the income tax refund details, Form 26AS, the tax credit statement, adjustment of refund against outstanding demand. The income tax department may not pay the entire refund amount immediately. If there are tax dues in the previous years, the income tax department will adjust the refund against these dues. The tax department will send an intimation under section 245 regarding the intention of adjustment, possible ways to respond to the notice. You have a time limit of 30 days to respond to the income tax notice. If there is no response, the tax department will go ahead with the adjustment as per the notice. Beware of scam emails. You must be careful of scam emails regarding the income tax refund. Never entertain requests for sharing bank account details or an email processing the income tax refund. The income tax department never asks for bank details or an email. You already have these details, as you have provided them by filing the income tax return. Thanks for watching.